Welcome to Venegas Construction Services, experts in finishing works for prominent restaurant, stalls, airports, homes, and fast food establishments. Let me show you first the company overview. Venegas Construction Services is a sole proprietorship construction company led by Mr. Rolando Venegas Jr., with architect Regal Sapo and partner engineers. It gained major experience as a key subcontractor for NAIA IPT3 project and has handled projects with local and international companies, including Japanese firms. The company specializes in finishing works and has complete commercial and residential projects in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. One of the company mission is client-focused construction committed to delivering high-quality, innovative projects on time and within budget, while promoting sustainable development, strong collaboration, and long-term value for communities and clients. Let me show you some areas of operation of Venegas Construction Services. Here is the Fantastic Chef in Malate. This is Chungdam in BGC, Manny Unlimited Topoki and K-Barbecue in Ortigas. Here is Umimatsu and K-Skin. As one of an intern of Venegas Construction Services, we are assigned in Chungdam Korean Restaurant at Molino Lifestyle Center. These are my co-interns. Pasok ko sa Chungdam. Bakit, ma'am? Our daily routine on site. Dito, we are gathering first for some announcements. After ng announcements, kami ay pinapakuha na ng hard hat. Dito naman yung in progress na site. Dito naman is tinuturo pa ni ma'am kung ano yung mga kailangan namin gawin at tinuturo pa niya kami. Some tile works. Dito naman, curious kami paano kinakat yung tile. Dito naman, pinapakita ni Kuya kung paano ikat yung tiles. Dito na yung sa water closet. Dito kung paano nila minimix yung semento sa water. Ayan, mga plumbing works. Here, I have some documentation of what we are doing on site.